It'll put a big smile on your face. Welcome to another Ernie's Journeys, where we answer the question, where will the journey take us? Today, the journey takes me here, back to my kitchen again. Today, we are going to make another classic plantain dish, and that is mofongo. At the heart and soul of every Puerto Rican is mofongo, right close to where the belly is. Mofongo is like poetry to Puerto Ricans. Some people like iambic pentameter, some people like rhyming couplets, some people like haikus. Everybody has their own different take on it. This is my version of mofongo. Give it a try. You deserve to once in your life. It is Puerto Rican comfort food at its finest, at its best. And again, this is a very easy recipe to make. It involves only just a few ingredients, which I'm just about to show you. Everybody has a little bit of a different take on how to assemble the ingredients of a mofongo, but the basic ingredients involve plantains. For this recipe, we're going to use 2 plantains, pork skins that are fried. If you don't have pork skins, you can substitute salt pork and fry that off, which is what I'm going to be doing today. Roasted garlic, and a few other ingredients that I'll show you here. So here we have our 2 plantains set up just like we had them set up before for the fried plantains. We're also going to take a whole head of garlic, cilantro, about 1/3 of a cup or 1/4 of a cup, 1/2 each of a green pepper, red pepper, and either onion or shallot, whatever you prefer. I'm doing mine with a shallot. 1/3 to 1/4 of a packet of cubed salt pork. And for seasoning and for preparing, some vegetable oil, olive oil, and adobo. You'll also need 8 cups of vegetable stock or chicken stock boiling in a pot. And most importantly, a mortar and pestle. If you don't have one of these, a bowl and a mashy thing will do. Make your own mashy thing. Whatever solid object that you can use in a concave dish to mash stuff with, that's what you'll need. If you can find one of these, awesome. If not, improvise. Okay, so first things first, we're going to go ahead and take care of our broth. I'm going to add our veggies and the cilantro. I'm also adding a little bit of garlic to the mix. All right, so all the ingredients are in there. I'm just going to stir that up a little bit, and I'm going to put that on low heat. Next up, I'm going to fry off the salt pork and just kind of cook it off and then put it off to the side. Again, that's about 1/4 of the packet. Got it cubed up into about 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch cubes. So here we go. Just gonna basically cook these off like kind of like bacon. Get all the fat off of them. Put them into a bowl. I've got these going on low to medium low heat, not a very high heat. Just basically gonna cook them off, render it down till they're cooked all the way through. Be careful, they'll pop a little bit. And just keep stirring them. So while the salt pork is frying off, I'm gonna go ahead and start roasting our garlic. So I'm going to put just a little bit of oil in the bottom of the pan, just enough to coat the bottom of the pan. Put it on a low heat. These peels will come right off after we fry the outsides, after we give them a nice little bit of a blister. Alright, when they're starting to look about like this here, go ahead and kill the heat, remove them out of the pan. And as you can see here, I used the spatula to kind of just scoop them out and put them into the bowl. You don't want to like dump it into the bowl with all of the grease. You don't need all of that excess grease. You can just kind of leave that and get rid of that. Our garlic cloves are ready to start putting into the pan. Drop them in there. Be very careful. Definitely want these on low heat. As you can see here, they're starting to blister up really nicely. They smell really good. Your house is going to smell like garlic heaven. Yeah, remove those from the fire. Remove them from the heat. And give them a squeeze. Let them cool for a little bit. These are still pretty warm. Done. So you see, the peels come off really easy. And there's our roasted garlic, and here are our salt pork cracklings. We're just waiting on these guys. We want to get them fried to a golden brown color on the outside. About 5 to 7 minutes on a low heat, medium low, depending on your burner. Basically, we follow the same process that we did in the first video for the fried plantains, which I'll put a link to again up here in the corner. Once they're fried all the way, we don't smash them and refry them. We're going to do something different with them. So we're going to deviate after that first step into doing a different process. Our broth is looking really good. I've actually turned it off. We're just going to let those ingredients sit. All right, we're ready to have some fun. We've got our plantains fried up and ready to go. We've got our garlic, and we have our little pork cracklings. We have some adobo. If you don't have adobo, salt, garlic powder, a little bit of cumin, and black pepper. That'll do just fine. And our mortar and pestle. Now comes the fun part. What we're going to do is we're going to take these ingredients and combine them together into the masher. Start off with 1, about this many, and 5. That's a good start. And mash. I'm just going to mash all of this together. Be like Bruce Lee in Fist of Fury. Why did you kill my teacher? Why did you kill my teacher? Just mash it into a mess. You're going to take this. You're going to take one of these. Ooh. I almost forgot the adobo. Just a sprinkling. Take a spoon. Scoop it out right into your hand. Make a snowball. There. That's it. Seeger wants to say hi. Poor buddy, he has a torn ACL that he had surgery on. So he's showing off for the camera. So he's confined to this tiny space right now. I'm so sorry, buddy. He's got to wear this cone while he heals up. Yeah. Oh, okay, hold on. Yeah, unfortunately, he's going to be like that for like the next 12 weeks. So I really feel bad because he wants to join us on our many adventures and he just can't right now. But we'll keep you guys posted on what's going on with him. If you want to leave him a little recovery message, say, hey, get well soon, Seegs, go ahead and leave a comment down below for him. Alright, so I'm about to show you the last step in the process, which is the combination of all the ingredients in the final assembly. So here we go. Okay, so we're going to take one of the balls and put it into the middle of a bowl. Look at that. And that's it. There you have it. This soup is perfect for a cold winter day, a hot summer day, a leafy fall day, and whatever springtime brings. It's good year round. But this is it. This is my take on Mofongo. Make this for your girl, serve it to her, and tell her, baby, you put the fun in Mofongo. Well, that's going to wrap it up for today's Ernie's Journey. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. New videos post every Tuesday, Thursdays, and Saturdays. Join us next time when we answer the question, where will the journey take us?